Hello friends! Today we will draw a beautiful character from the movie Frozen. Who else but Princess Elsa? Let's get started. First, let's draw Elsa's head and right ear. Don't forget, we also draw Elsa's hair that hangs sweetly on her forehead. Follow along like in the video, friends. Now, we continue to draw Elsa's body. As well as her two hands that are placed in front of her body. After that, let's draw Elsa's iconic long hair. Don't forget to add wavy hair on top of her head to make it more similar to Elsa in the movie. Well, Elsa's hair is finished. Now let's draw the bottom of her beautiful dress. Draw a line down like this. Then give waves at the bottom of the dress and a subtle crease at the top. Very pretty, right? Next, let's draw Elsa's cape, which is long and hangs elegantly behind her back. Remember, follow the video for better results. Next, we make the details of her ears. Then draw Elsa's two big and cute eyeballs. As well as a small mouth that is smiling sweetly. Now it's time to color. First, we give her eyes a blue and black color to make them shine. Then we thicken the lines of Elsa's drawing to make it look clearer. You can also use your favorite color, so feel free to be creative. Let's move on. Light blue for Elsa's top dress and the cape behind it. We put light gray on the bottom of her dress and dark gray for the pleats. For Elsa's skin, we use milky white on her hands, body, and face. And don't forget to put some pink on her cheeks to make her even more cute and adorable. Now we just need to color Elsa's hair with light gray. Then add small details on her clothes. Just follow the example in the video. Finally, we give a brown color on the edges of the image to make it more defined and beautiful. Princess Elsa's drawing is done. Isn't it cute? You did a great job drawing it all the way. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel so you don't miss any other exciting drawing videos. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.